Hey guys, welcome to Driven Plus and thanks for tuning in. A bit of a different style of video today, and you join me behind the wheel of my Range Rover alongside my dad, Eddie Haftavani. Say hello.
Hi.
And as you know, Driven Plus, we do European tours, UK tours, all different types of car events. Next week, we're going on our European road trip, Route de Riviera, and you're coming along, aren't you, Dad?
Yes, I am.
Are you looking forward to it?
Oh, very much.
So 29 cars, 56 people. We're looking forward to it. France, Switzerland, Italy, Monaco, you know, all the big hitters, especially going through the Alps. Now we're on our way to APM Customs to pick both of our cars up because I'm treating my dad to a bespoke package APM Custom do for Driven Plus customers who come on the tours where they will detail your car, they'll put the stickers on, and that's basically where we're going now to pick up. Great weather to pick clean cars up. But this is the UK, isn't it, Dad? And the weather's really bad.
There's not much we can do about it.
No, there's not. We're in my L322 Range Rover, the best car to be transported down. You had one of these, didn't you, Dad?
I have.
Did you enjoy it?
Very much.
And is this making you wanting one again?
Oh, I'd like to, yes.
But they keep breaking down.
No, they don't break down that much.
Anyway, so I'll catch you guys there. We're going to go see Kev, and he's going to talk through what modifications, enhancements he's done to my car and my dad's car. And yeah, looking forward to it. See you guys down there. Hey Kev.
See you, Max.
How are you, mate? You alright?
Yeah, good, yeah, you?
Yeah, good. Looking forward to seeing the cars.
Good. All ready to go?
Yeah.
Let's go.
So here we Let's go. There we are.
So first
There's
off,
my dad's beast, the GTC.
Greet you with the Bentley.
So obviously, with this, what you've done just kind of...
So this has just had a pre-rally rinse over, a safe wash obviously, and just like, yeah, a little check over. Little C2 coating just to make sure that any rain, hopefully we don't get much, but any rain will just bead off obviously when we're on the trip. Obviously just help to maintain the vehicle for you. Stickers have obviously gone on, and yeah.
Obviously this has been ceramic coated
by
yourself.
Yeah.
So
this was just like a top up. What we call like a maintenance wash on it. So
I think because you were on the Nürburgring tour last year,
yes,
and we went for much bigger stickers.
Yes,
but this year I thought we'd go smaller.
Yeah,
I think it's better.
I think they work. Yeah, I mean, not everybody is a big sticker fan. So as you say, they've got enough presence about them.
It's not too in your face, is it? It's like nice size. There you go. Yeah, crack on.
That's exactly what they do. Yeah, it's all about the trip, isn't it?
Well, that's it. I think my dad's going to be super happy with that.
Perfect car. Yes, perfect car to do the trip.
Yes.
And then if we head
here's the M4.
Here,
the moment. Here we go.
We'll take you into.
It's ready for Euro Trip Part 2. Part 2. 2.0.
So yeah, really. So again.
Yeah, a bit of a different package on this, isn't it?
Bit of a different package, but obviously we've already ceramic coated this in the past, so there was a maintenance wash on it, and the top up obviously we've done the same sticker pack obviously, deep clean inside, outside, wheels refreshed, tyres refreshed, but we've also done front bumper PPF. So that's obviously had the PPF installed to the front, so obviously give you a little bit of protection against stone chipping, road rashing.
This is the first time I've had PPF.
Okay.
Is there any type of washing you have to kind of do?
No, obviously, I mean, it goes on wet, so obviously it's gone on for, yesterday it went on, so it's cured off, obviously, all the edges have been heated, so it should be all right now, obviously, but we normally just give it a few days before you rinse over. Washing is exactly the same as you wash with normal car, but without getting within an inch of its life, obviously, because it is a film, obviously. But as I say, the insoles are as seamless as possible. Obviously, you know.
Yeah, it looks good. You can't tell at all.
No, exactly. I mean, this is all down to the fact that we have computer cut software from our film manufacturers.
So what does PPF kind of protect from? It's like stone chips.
Yeah, stone chips, road rashing, any like almost like even poor washing techniques. Poor washing techniques can give you swirling, scratching. This has got like a hydrophobic and a self-healing coating on top of it. So when the sun gets on it, a little bit warm, which we should get lots of on the Riviera.
Exactly.
It'll start reheating.
Perfect mod for the Riviera.
So yeah, it's absolutely good to go, ready to go, mate. And can't wait to see it back out on track.
What do you think about the badges? So if you just, if we have a look at the badges, now these are from Carbon Culture UK, which I bought from, and basically these are kind of de-chromes the external chrome bit, and it's black, and
definitely modernised.
It just changes the car, 100%. Doesn't it? Like
so
a little mod like that
So much so.
And the back, I think the back looks better.
Yeah, so much so that I've just ordered.
He's just bought some.
So
Kev's actually got an
Nathan,
M4.
you're now spending my money for me.
Yeah,
Yeah, we did the back as well for you, obviously, as well, yeah.
The obviously Driven Plus banner on there.
Yep.
Number stickers here. So we come to the back. When we go to Europe, obviously we're going through, well, Reims, aren't we, and Switzerland.
Yep.
These are the stickers you have to have. Top one's for Switzerland, bottom one is for the emissions pass in France. It's ready to go in it, Kev. Like you've polished the back box, the tips. They've come out really nice. Yeah. But yeah, the badge there looks, especially your car's black.
My bad, but
So-
I think, yeah, as I say, they just modernise the car completely, and little touches, obviously, they make a big difference, don't they? But yeah, polish all the tailpipes, obviously, for you. Deep clean inside. You're good to go, mate. You're good to go.
So obviously Kev's joining us on the
Yes.
Riviera. You're
Again,
sponsoring the
another
tour.
Yep.
Are you looking forward to it?
Can't wait. Done quite a few road trips across Europe now. Obviously, we've done a few with you guys. Obviously, yeah, can't wait. It's a great bunch of people, 100%. Enjoyable, and it's organised, mega. So can't wait, mate.
It's quite a good partnership.
Roll on
really,
Wednesday.
isn't it? yeah, very soon. Quite a good partnership, really, because obviously you can book the trips through us, through Driven Plus. But then once they've done that, we can come see you and book in for this package. So
Yeah,
nice wash,
we can do maintenance
stickers,
package,
PPF, whatever they want.
Whatever you want, yeah.
And really prep the car ready for the road trip.
Yeah.
But before we go, best thing you're looking forward to on the trip?
Oh, you put me on the spot now. The roads is the easy answer, I suppose, isn't it? But I think for me, it's all about the people. As I say, we make new friends, we meet old friends, we network. It's just, and we're doing it on some fantastic roads across Europe.
It's a good answer, mate.
So,
very good answer. Well,
so yeah, I can't wait.
Thank you very much.
I literally can't wait. No,
I'm pretty sure you'll see more of Kev on the video we're going to do on the Riviera road trip, the whole kind of Riviera.
Yeah,
it'll be good to see these two cars. What will be cool, because there's an M4 competition, yours, my CS, and a GTS. So imagine the
full
comp,
family,
CS, GTS, the full M4 lineup will be there. We'll have to get someone on that.
100%.
So keep your eyes peeled. We're definitely going to do comp, CS, GTS.
Yeah, perfect.
That'll be out. Mega. I'm buzzing now.
Yeah.
It might be even more buzzing to see those three cars next to each other.
Yeah, can't wait.
But there you go. Here's my car, ready to go across Europe, starting in Reims, Wednesday, 17th of July. And we're going Reims, Lake Geneva, Lake Como, Monaco, Grenoble. It's going to be a good one.
Can't wait.
I'll catch you there. Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure you click that subscribe button. Thanks to Kev, and thank you for watching. Cheers. See you later.